Autumn came to the island of Sodor. Weather changes for good or bad. Most engines really hated the cold. Some of them even shiver from it, just like humans do. However, Oliver did not believe that engines don't shiver. One afternoon, he was taking a passenger train from the Little Western to to Nafred.
Engines don't shiver, wouldn't you say, Mike? I don't even feel the cold whatsoever.
Well, that's easy for you to say, said Mike. My driver is ill because he's got some sort of virus. Because he's suffering with post-nasal drip, I believe. So I'm stuck in the shit and I'm freezing to death. I'm shivering here.
Ha 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 ha. Mike, we don't shiver. We're made out of metal. Oh, sorry, Mike. I can't stop. Got a passenger in a train.
Then Oliver went off. Sooner or later, he reached up. As he finished his passenger duties, he then had to take a goods train. He saw Percy in the shed.
Hello, Percy. Why are you so shivering today? I thought you said you wanted a scarf to keep you warm. I'm not cold. I'm cold because my driver and fireman haven't arrived yet. They're stuck. I'm in traffic.
Ha 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 ha, laughed Oliver. As you soon come with his goods train and he set off. And he set off. Unfortunately, the wind was blowing very fiercely today. Careful, Oliver was in so much hurry to get the goods train done.
Breezy? I don't feel the cold. Engines don't feel the cold. We're made out of metal.
I wouldn't say that, Oliver. Remember the last time when you crashed into that snowman and you freeze to death? Freeze to death?
Yeah, but that was a long time ago, driver. This is now.
Just remember, Oliver. Just remember, it will bite you back in return. Unfortunately, Oliver ignored him, but I'm sorry to say his driver's corrections were true. The wind blew so fiercely. Unfortunately, the rails began to feel a bit weak as Oliver puffed along the line. He started to feel a bit shaky and wobbly.
Oh, it's all in my head. It's all in my head. It's all in my head,
He said. Unfortunately, as he reached the As he reached the top of, as he was nearly near Gordon's Hill, it happened. Oliver soon felt the weight of his wheels on the track started to lift a bit. Then, sooner or later, he was shot. Oh my goodness! Ah! He went off the tracks and landed straight down into a bush. His goods train went down with him. Lucky no one was hurt. Oliver laid near a small little riverbank. There's water streaming past him. Oliver felt rather embarrassed about this.
I guess you're right, driver. I guess it can come back to me in the end.
That's what I've been trying to tell you, said his driver as he laid on top of a bush somewhere. At last, Bear came along.
Oh, hello, Bear. What's this about that engines don't shiver, hey? Don't worry, we'll soon get you back on the rails.
As Bear set off to get the breakdown train, Oliver felt rather ashamed, and he was also shivering. Sooner or later, Bear arrived at the breakdown train, and and his goods train was soon put back on the rails. After that, Oliver was a lot more wiser of his decision of weather. He arrived back at the sheds of the Little Western. He had a lot to think about. He had learned his lesson about teasing others that engines don't shiver. Unfortunately, that wasn't enough, as a mysterious figure had been watching him up in the sky.